So I want to take you guys realistic what I eat in a day today. I'm gonna start off today by eating a omelet and a yogurt parfait. I started out my morning before this though having a Oikyo's yogurt drink, like a little yogurt drink for protein with a Alani before I went to the gym. That's my new favorite little combination because I don't really like eating a lot of stuff before I go to the gym. It's a way to like get something in my system and not just drinking a pre-workout drink, because I feel like that's not really good for you. I don't really know all the science and the lore behind it, but anyway. Then I'll come back to you guys because I need to go grocery shopping so I can get some of the stuff that I need for lunch and for dinner. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family. If you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be right here as well as linked down in the bio below. And with all that being said, let's get into the rest of this video. Okay, so hello. Joining you guys back here for lunch. So today I don't know why I'm screaming on the mic. I'm joining y'all back here today for lunch. For today, we are gonna make some vegetarian tiki masala with tofu and jasmine rice. So I've never made this before. This is my first time making this. I had tikka masala for the first time a couple months ago when I did another one of these realistic what I eat in days, but it was a snack that I got from a different restaurant. But now I'm gonna try and make it by myself and hopefully it works out. Yeah, so let's get into lunch. Okay, so I just made lunch. I made a tikka masala with tofu. I'm so excited to try this, so excited to enjoy this. And I made a nice little cranberry limeade. So I'm gonna have this and then I'll see you guys back for dinner. Hi guys. I don't know why the video looks so weird. It's a little later. It is now nighttime and I'm going to make dinner. I'm making a taco pasta bake, vegetarian edition, and this is the bab. So I'm gonna make that and we're gonna get into it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this realistic what I eat in a day. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if you try any of the recipes, and I think all in all today was a pretty decent day for like meals and new meals and everything like that. I think my least favorite meal was lunch. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be linked right here as well as down in the bio below. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family, and I will see you guys later.